Hi, I'm Andrew Tilton from Tilton's Heritage Pastures. So we're back from our 48-hour process of brining our turkey. So the reason we brine our turkey is because factory-raised turkeys that you get from the grocery store have all the additives and all the injections and everything and all the sugars they add to them. Our pasture-raised turkeys don't. So that's why we do the brining process. So it absorbs all the seasoning. We use all natural stuff like herbs and water to brine our turkey. We don't want any of the sugar and preservatives in our food. So that's why we do brining. And if you come over here and take a look, you can see the turkey after 48 hours and all the seasonings and everything around the sides. So when you get a turkey from the store, they're from factories, and factories inject them with a bunch of different stuff that add fake weight. Our turkeys from our pasture, if they weigh a certain weight, they weigh a certain weight because they haven't been injected with anything. It's all natural. So a 15-pound bird is truly a 15, and a 20 is truly a 20. My mom can cook a 13-pound bird, and over half the bird is left for the next day. And as you can tell, me and my brothers are not small. We're big boys. We eat a lot. She used to buy store-bought turkeys, and she would buy like a 20 to 25-pound bird, and there'd be nothing left. Alright, so our brining process is complete. It's been 48 hours, so we're going to take the bird inside and let Mom prepare everything for Thanksgiving meal.
Hi everybody, I'm Deborah. I'm going to be cooking this 23-pound turkey that we raised on our farm this year. We just brined it for 48 hours and I'm going to prepare it to put it in the oven. I'm going to stuff it with some celery and onions. Give it flavor wherever you can give it. I preheated my oven for 350. After the brining for 48 hours, we brought the turkey in and rinsed it under cold water for at least 5 minutes. Get the salt and all the brine off. We don't stuff our turkeys here in our house because certain family members just prefer it in a casserole dish, browned in the oven. I'm going to put some butter and lather the turkey. Just smear butter all over the turkey. Sometimes I go under the skin, but I'm not not going to do that today because we have so much seasoning that's on here. The boys are outside doing some chores while I'm preparing, and some of our family isn't here yet. John, Kelsey, and the kids, our grandchildren. It's going to be a fun day. We're starting some new traditions today of inviting some close friends over to share the day with us. It's a big bird. I use basic seasons. I'll use a little bit of thyme. Some parsley. A little bit of salt. I don't like to use much salt. I'm not a salt person. Some garlic powder, a little bit, and pepper. And we want to make sure that it's completely seasoned. I add in, because pasture-raised turkeys are a lot different and not preserved like the store-bought turkeys. They can tend to dry out faster, and some people overcook them. I add some turkey stock that I have canned, and I'll add some to the bottom of the pan for moisture to keep the turkey fully moist and juiced. I don't cover the turkey. I let the oven do the cooking. It's going to cook about 5 hours, give or take. I have a thermometer. I'll check it every so often. It's just sit a little crooked in the pan. The pan is a little small. I didn't realize how ginormous this turkey was going to be. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350, and we will check it out and see what it looks like and post a picture and how it looks and maybe a family photo. All right, thank you. Have a happy Thanksgiving from our farm to your family. Thank you. So hi, it's me again, and here's our finished turkey. Isn't she so beautiful? We cooked it on 350 for 3 hours and 45 minutes, and we're gonna enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving!